What is going on, guys? Welcome back. It's Juan here with another video, and this time I wanted to talk about the new social media platform that's pretty much taken the web by storm. And of course I'm talking about Vero, or Vero. I'm not really sure how you pronounce it. Anyways, you guys know what I'm talking about. So I'm pretty much just gonna be telling you guys the information that I have, one, experienced by using the app, and two, that I've gotten directly from their website. So first of all, according to the website, it is a subscription-based service, kind of like Spotify, meaning that Vero is going to be advertiser free, unlike Instagram. So as of right now on their page, they're saying that the first 1 million people to subscribe to their service will be given a free lifetime subscription, and for anyone that comes after 1 million will have to pay whatever price they'll have once that launches. So next on what you need to know. So if you've ever browsed Instagram at this point, especially now, and you've noticed that for a little while now you haven't really been able to see a lot of your friends' posts, maybe sometimes missing their posts completely. This is basically because most of your friends' posts will either get clouded by advertisements or it'll be other people's pictures on top. Some of the pictures that get more interactions, more likes, more comments, those kind of things, they'll pretty much be shot up by the algorithm. So that's probably why you're not seeing a lot of your friends' posts. This is just some information for those who do not know. So according to Vero, you're only going to see the people that you follow, and it's pretty much going to be a sort of chronological order. So according to Vero, on their page, they're claiming that they don't manipulate, curate, or insert advertisements on your feed. And I think those are the main hooks that got me interested in Vero in the first place. I know I've been trying to grow an Instagram audience for a little while now, and it seems to be a lot more difficult competing with those accounts that get a lot more interactions nowadays. So I think, in my opinion, this is a social media platform that is aiming to compete with not just Instagram, but I see it competing with Twitter and Facebook as well. And you're not only able to share pictures like Instagram, but you're also able to share movies you're interested in, books you've read, music you're listening to, and whenever you're going to post something, it allows you to choose which part of your audience can see those posts. So with the slide of the finger, you can pretty much pick between an acquaintance, a friend, a close friend, and a follower. And you can also even buy and sell things within your profile. So at the end of the day, they're not really working with the same kind of algorithm that Instagram is usually working with. So you're not really seeing kind of random things and a bunch of advertisements. You're pretty much seeing what you want to see. But yeah, anyways, it sounds awesome, but I was doing a little bit of research, and by research, I mean I was following Justini's Twitter account, and I came across some pretty interesting information here. So I came across this post right here, and honestly I suggest you read this before making a Vero account, because it kind of exposes a lot of sketchy information on the beginnings of the application itself and of what it is. Before you get involved in anything that you're not too sure of, make sure you do a little bit of research on your own and see if this is something that you're interested in. But if you found this video in any way informative, make sure you smash that like button for me. If you're not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'm gonna be having lots of weekly content. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.